Santosham. Today we're going to do Bharmanasana. Bharma means table and asana means pose. Bharmanasana serves the basic platform for many more advanced floor postures. This asana is a starting point and a transition pose for asanas like Marjariyasana and Vyagrasana. It also helps lengthen and realign the spine. Now, let us see the pose.
First, sit in Vajrasana. Come to the floor on your hands and knees. Bring the knees hips width apart with the feet directly behind the knees. Keep your palms directly under the shoulders with the fingers facing forward. Look down between the palms and allow the back to be flat. Breathe deeply and slowly in the final position for 2 to 3 deep breaths. This asana stretches the shoulders, arms, wrists, elbows, chest, and back, and your knees. It's very helpful in toning the core as well as the abdomen. Now, relax. Here are a couple tips. In case you have knee pain, place a folded blanket under the knees to protect them from pressure and stress. You can also make a fist with the hands to reduce pressure on the wrists. Thank you for watching. Santosham.